but I'm meaner when I nail it. So bow down, the child of calamity is coming.
Good job, boy. The rain started coming in right as I was lighting my feathers. Lucky me, huh? Oh well. It's kind of hoping it was going to rain earlier so I could have started my fire and did one of Iz's challenges, but now fire's already going and I got other stuff I got to do. Cody's hanging out inside the shelter. Alright guys, man, camera's getting soaked. Bannoc's done, burning a little. Coffee's done. Sausage is still cooking a little bit. Put them on last. Cody's soaked. I'm pretty much wet because I haven't stayed underneath my tarp, but everything underneath here is bone dry. I even picked it up a little bit so that way I had a little extra room in here to move around. But good time. Nothing like sitting underneath a poncho hooch or a tarp hooch in the rain. I dig it. Alright guys, I'm going to eat me some lunch and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, time to clean up. I got my bag pretty much all packed. Got to take down the tarp and clean up the camp a little bit. And we'll be heading back out. Had a good time.